Meteorologist Natalie Nunn, certified by WeatherRate for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Welcome back, friends. 5:15 on the dot on this Wednesday morning. I have so much I want to tell you, so let's get to it. There's a lot to talk about right now. Currently in Branson, it's the calm before the storm. Things are calm out there. I think things will be mostly calm throughout the day. We've just got a little bit of cloud coverage we're going to work through. Other than that, temperature-wise, about average. We can't complain about too much today. 27 degrees in Springfield, currently 25 in Branson. We've got 25 in Camden, 22 in Lake of the Ozarks. You factor in a little bit of a wind. It does feel cooler out there, more like 22 in Springfield, 18 in West Plains. So you're going to want your coats on this morning, and I think you'll want them today. Here's the deal. If you've not gotten out your winter weather gear, go ahead and do it today. This is the day to do it. Get the wood pile stocked up. It is going to be dangerously cold as we settle into tomorrow. This is the calm before the storm, as I said. 42 degrees will be our high for today. Maybe some sunshine could be squeezed out this afternoon. With that, maybe a few degrees warmer. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. For tonight, we're going to start to see at the tail end, early morning hours, that cold front move through. I think we're going to be about 20 degrees in Springfield, and our eastern counties quite a bit warmer overnight. Here's where things start to get a little dicey. We're going to see a strong cold front that's going to move through. It's going to plummet temperatures like I've never seen personally. Once that happens, we're also going to see some snow. Because we're going to go from warm to really cold quickly, flash freezing could create very slick roadways tomorrow. Near blizzard conditions because the winds are going to be so strong. Wind gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour. We're going to see wind chills near negative 25 by the end of the afternoon. And with that, isolated power outages could be an issue. There is a wind chill warning. This is the first thing we're going to notice. This is going from Thursday into Christmas Eve, as wind chills are going to be dangerously low all across the area. By this time tomorrow, 6 a.m. tomorrow, this is what it's going to feel like out there. 23 degrees in Springfield still. When I come into work, it's not going to be anything abnormal. It is going to drop to 2 degrees tomorrow. That's what it's going to feel like in Clinton. And I want you to watch as this cold front continues to push through. By 9:30 a.m., we're going to start to feel those negatives. And then the afternoon time period, it's going to feel like negative 16 at 1 p.m. And then that afternoon into evening, it's going to feel like negative 25. This is abnormally cold for the Ozarks. This is really abnormal for the month of December. On top of the wind chill advisory, we have a winter storm warning for those in Missouri. Down to the south of Highway 60, it is a winter weather advisory as this frigid blast moves through. I think temperatures falling to single digits so quickly that wind-blown snow is going to be an issue. How much snow are we talking about? Well, that's a good question. Let's go ahead and time it out. We're going to see cloud coverage for today, but it is going to be dry. Early morning hours, we're going to see that line maybe of sleet, maybe of freezing rain, quickly turning to snow. 5 a.m. moving through that first band, a little bit of a break, and then by 10 a.m. more widespread heavy snow. It's going to be very dry, fluffy snow across the area, and then it's quickly going to come to an end probably by about 4 o'clock. How much snow are we going to see? It's hard to say because it's so dry, but 3 to 6 inches north of our viewing area is a possibility. 1 to 3 the further south you head into Arkansas. I think we'll see a couple inches in Springfield, but it's going to be so wind whipped. It's going to be hard to tell exactly what's going on. Quick look at that 7-day forecast. Winter begins today. Happy winter, everyone. Snowy and windy tomorrow. Dangerously cold for Friday, Saturday, Christmas Eve at about 17 degrees. Santa, he better bundle up. Jen?
Santa better bundle up, and us too, because man, those temperatures are going to drop so quickly. Thanks, Nat.